Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and today I want to do something that I did at Christmas time, and I got over 3,000 views and tons of shares, and it was on making an arrangement, a simple arrangement for your table. So that tells me that people are really interested in doing this very simple thing. So stay tuned and see what we're going to show you. Alright, we're going to start with a beautiful set of flowers. Any flowers will do, but today I have these pretty colored, almost jelly bean-like flowers. I soaked my oasis. Find a container that will suit your need. Get your tools, get your tape. I then secured my oasis into my container. Once I had my oasis secured, I'll then begin to set up and cut and get ready to put my greens first into my oasis. As you can see, I've used what I have right around my property, some more of my ligustrum, and in a moment you'll see that I also used some of my asparagus fern. Here you see I'm creating an L-shaped arrangement where it will jut out to the right. And I've also used my asparagus fern, nice long pieces cut from the plants I have in my greenhouse. And this fern can also soften your lines and add a nice texture and element to your design. As you can see, I've filled my container with greens and covered my oasis following that line of the L-shaped arrangement. And my container's pretty too, so I didn't want to completely hide or cover that. I had a cluster of 3 yellow flowers that I'd like to place in the middle of my arrangement. And I didn't want all my flowers again clustered in the middle. Graduate your flowers from your higher points out to your side points. Tucking your flowers in as you see needed. But again, remember your heavier flowers or your larger flowers should stay closer to the center. Also, there were different colors and I wanted to try to evenly distribute them throughout the arrangement. I was able to sit on my back deck and enjoy this beautiful day in southeastern North Carolina. And as you can see, I'm still tucking in little greens here and there as I see spaces that have need. And here's the finished arrangement. But before I forget, I'd like to encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to me on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, like, comment, and share. And I hope that you can use this arrangement for the upcoming holidays or any special event. It just looked so festive to me. It just looked like it had great jelly bean colors. I brought it inside and set it on a beautiful coffee table behind my couch. And I also want to remind you to stay tuned and keep your eyes open. I will be offering a PDF on how to do these arrangements and more. Plus, I will be offering classes on how to create your own floral designs and floral needs.